That's another very good question I get asked a lot. If your condo is in the Caribbean section or Harbor Homes section of Boca Bayou, then your washer dryer hookup was installed originally by the developer builder, and they are allowed. In the rest of Boca Bayou, if you are in buildings 15 through 21, then you already have a washer dryer hookup in your unit. They were originally installed by the builder at that time when they built the buildings. Other than that, buildings 1 through 14 and building 22, they are not allowed to be installed. You will see a few washer dryers here and there in those buildings. Back in the day, the association was allowing them to be installed properly with permitting and with a licensed plumber, licensed electrician, and what have you. But the rules do not allow them, and so they have stopped doing that, so they no longer allow for homeowners to install them. So if you are needing a laundry inside your unit, then you need to focus on the ones that were originally put in. Or if you're buying a unit that has a washer dryer, you will want to check and make sure that that it's an association approved one, because otherwise you may have problems or issues and have to take it out. So if it was legally put in, the office will have the proper paperwork in the file, or the homeowner may have to show their permitting and back in the day when they had that originally installed. But other than that, we have fabulous laundry rooms in the first floor of each building in the breezeways. They're beautiful, they're cleaned every day, Monday through Friday. They're never crowded, and some buildings have 2, and we recently renovated them. So they're not small little closets with a washer dryer. You actually have a water view, and it's not a bad place to do your laundry. I hope that answered your question.